Looking for a practical and efficient way to dry your clothes? The best clothes drying rack can make all the difference in saving space and energy. Whether you're drying delicates or heavy sweaters, choosing the right rack can simplify the process. In this video, we'll dive into some of the top options out there, helping you pick the perfect one for your needs. Let's take a closer look. Honey Can Do Drying Rack. The Honey Can Do wooden laundry drying rack is an excellent option if you're looking to save energy and protect your clothes, all while keeping things simple and functional. Made from lightweight wooden dowels, this drying rack provides 25 feet of drying space, which is perfect for everything from towels to delicate clothing. The vinyl-coated bars ensure your garments stay in place without slipping, which is a nice touch for anyone who's tired of clothes tumbling down on the floor. Its collapsible design makes it easy to store when not in use, folding down to just 3 inches. This is a major advantage for those with limited space. The natural wood finish adds a bit of charm, making it a nice addition to any room, whether it's in the laundry area or your bedroom. For the price, you really can't go wrong. The rack offers a simple, eco-friendly solution to air-drying clothes and helps reduce your reliance on energy-hogging dryers. If you're looking for something functional, affordable, and sustainable, the Honey Can Do wooden laundry drying rack is worth considering. It provides all the basics and does it well. Household Essentials Drying Rack. If you're looking for a reliable, compact drying solution that doesn't compromise on space or functionality, the Household Essentials Drying Rack is a fantastic option. This lightweight, portable drying rack is perfect for anyone looking to air-dry clothes indoors without taking up too much space. With a generous 59.84-inch height and a 26.18-inch width, it offers ample room for drying garments of various sizes, from shirts to towels. Constructed with durable plastic, this tripod rack is designed to be easy to use and store. It folds down effortlessly to a compact size, making it perfect for small apartments or those in need of a portable drying solution for travel, RVs, or even camping. The rack is collapsible and can be adjusted to half height, allowing you to customize the drying area depending on your needs. This model's versatility makes it ideal for drying clothes or hanging pressed garments neatly. It's especially useful for smaller items or delicate fabrics that need a little extra care. In short, the Household Essentials Tripod Drying Rack provides an efficient and space-saving solution at an affordable price, highly recommended for those in need of a practical drying option. LOOCA Hanging Dryer. If you're on the hunt for an affordable and efficient clothes drying solution, the LOOCA Clothes Hanging Dryer is a top contender in 2025. This space-saving rack is a perfect blend of practicality and design, offering ample drying space for a variety of items, from heavy sweaters to delicate lingerie. The 3-tier design measures 30.3 inches in length, 24.5 inches in width, and 30.7 inches in height, making it ideal for apartments, small laundry rooms, or even travel setups. The rack's breathable polyester mesh promotes quick drying, while the stainless steel bars ensure durability without leaving any stains. It can support up to 10 pounds, providing enough room to dry several garments at once. The gray plastic hook is designed to fit standard shower rods and rotates 360 degrees for easy positioning. Plus, the foldable design allows for easy storage, collapsing into a flat circle when not in use. Perfect for homes with limited space. Whether you're drying clothes indoors during travel or just need extra space in your laundry area, the LOOCA Drying Rack delivers convenience and reliability. For the price, it's a must-have for those looking for a simple yet effective drying solution. Definitely a thumbs up. Honey Can Do Heavy-Duty Drying Rack. The Honey Can Do Heavy-Duty Drying Rack is a solid choice for anyone seeking a reliable and space-efficient drying solution. It's built with heavy-duty steel, providing a sturdy structure that handles even large loads of laundry without bending or buckling. With a generous 46 linear feet of drying space, this rack accommodates a variety of garments, from shirts and towels to heavier items like sweaters and shoes. One of its standout features is the collapsible design, which allows it to fold down to a slim 3-inch profile for easy storage when not in use. This makes it ideal for small living spaces or those who need to store their drying rack between uses. The mesh shelf is perfect for drying delicate items like sweaters, preventing stretching, while the specialized shoe rack ensures your footwear dries evenly without damage. While the rack does a great job handling large loads, it's easy to set up and move around, making it a versatile addition to any home. The foldable design adds extra convenience, ensuring it won't take up unnecessary space. Overall, the Honey Can Do Heavy-Duty Gullwing Drying Rack is a well-rounded, practical solution for drying clothes with ease, highly recommended for anyone in need of an efficient drying rack. OXO Drying Rack. Next, we introduce the OXO Good Grips Drying Rack, a highly practical and efficient solution for drying delicate garments like sweaters. This model earns our recommendation for its thoughtful design and ease of use. It features a generous mesh surface, ideal for quick and even drying, ensuring that your items won't stretch, lose shape, or crease. With ample space between layers, your clothes will dry quickly and you can easily access them when needed. One standout feature is its collapsible design, allowing you to fold the rack flat for compact storage. When not in use, the rack folds down to a slim 19 inches by 8 inches by 2.5 inches profile, making it perfect for tight spaces or small laundry room. The offset legs provide stability and allow it to fit on countertops or washing machines, offering versatile placement options. Users appreciate its durability and lightweight design, making it a convenient choice for daily use. The rack is also PVC-free, adding an extra layer of reassurance. In summary, the OXO Good Grips Folding Sweater Drying Rack combines practicality with thoughtful feature, ensuring a seamless drying experience while saving valuable space. If you're looking for an efficient, space-saving solution for drying delicate clothes, this is a top pick.